Today, I decided to make my own teriyaki salmon ball.
Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to Matcha Kitchen. Not perfect, that's okay.
Let's get it started.
Clean the mushroom first. Stir fry it. Prepare some carrots. Oh, it's a little sloppy, but that's okay. Saute the carrots. Now it's time for the start.
It smells fresh.
I'm cutting into 4 strips. Okay, this side is not working. Let's flip it. Four strips straight into the pan. While it's cooking, I'm going to make the teriyaki sauce. Oh no, the skin is gone, but that's okay. Let me switch a non-stick pan. This time the skin stayed on. Looks great. Add in the teriyaki sauce. Let it simmer it. The smells really good. Pop in the edamame now. Oops.
Everything's ready. Let's plate up. Let's make easy matcha pancake.
Butter, sugar, and dry ingredients. Blend it until you incorporate. Adding eggs. Then adding milk. Oh, it's very smooth and glossy batter. Baking time. Oh, the pancake doesn't look perfect this time, but that's okay. I think the matcha powder needs to add at the end. My dinner looks absolutely stunning.
Time to have my dinner. So delicious. Let me try the cake. I really enjoy my dinner. If you want to see more food ideas, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.